Hello and welcome to today's video. We're riding on a pacer day at the Aln Valley Railway. This will be today's train, X Northern 144004, but is getting painted up into regional railway livery. As we leave Lionheart Station, let's go through the journey. It's about a 10-minute ride to Green Ridge Halt. We wait there 15 minutes and then another 10 minutes back to Lionheart. Just a small journey, but it is still fabulous. So, as you might have been able to tell by now, this is an old Northern Class 144 what was based around Leeds, Liverpool and the Manchester area. And just like that, we are at Green Ridge Halt. As we go back over Crawledge Viaduct, just look at the stunning views and the greenery around us. As we come back into Lionheart Station, on your right there is another 144 donated by the leasing company. As you can see, it's a free car, not like the one we are currently on. As we arrive back into Lionheart Station, I'd just like to say thank you for watching this video. once again, all my videos are pretty much all the different types of videos these days. I'm just always trying out a new style of video. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.